computer security, censorship, and privacy concerns are going to be issues that face our country for the next 10 years. Hacking and illegal access to data are going to be issues that every computer network user is going to face. We need to find companies. That are well positioned in solving those problems. I believe I found 5 good ones that will help and make you some money. Let's go and get started. I have a database of over 200 stocks, of which I have it categorized into certain areas, one of them being security. And these are the 5 stocks that I have as being important for cybersecurity and privacy issues for the next 10 years. Now, if you have any stocks to be added to this list, please let that information in the comments below, because I'm interested in getting a few more stocks that have a future for the next 10 years. And they must trade over $5. Okay, not interested in penny stocks. Please share that information below. So what we have here is a list of stocks and how it performs with my given indicator. This is the RSI indicator, and I do a back test also for the MACD. But I'm only showing the RSI today. And these are the 5 stocks on my list for that I have that are good candidates for security privacy. And these are the net profits run against my system. All those are positive. Number of trades taken, number of winners, and the percentage of winners. And you can see that NLOC has only a 50% win rate. But you got to remember that my trade management, risk management, is that I take winners at 5% and my losers and stop loss at 2%. So my winners are always going to make more than my losers when I lose. So a 50-50 system, I still come out ahead. Anyway, I think it's worthwhile looking at all 5 of these stocks. I'm a swing trader, so I'm swing trading these stocks. And this is the end result. I would have made 86 trades and it would have made $1,600. That's a lot of work. I could have just invested in Apple, same amount, and let it run. But I have to find stocks that I can do that. Will Apple do that in the future? Investing $10,000 in Johnson & Johnson would have yielded $2,500 and not doing anything. But remember that these things have trades and average bar holds of 3 days. So I have money. This money can be put to work elsewhere, because a lot of my times my money is being sitting idle waiting for another trade, because you only have a certain amount of trades per year. So there's a lot of wait time. And that money can be put to use elsewhere. And so you have an opportunity to make lots more money. You have to decide if you want to be a swing trader or buy and hold. I think the next 2 years, buy and hold strategy is not going to be very productive, because I have a feeling things are going to slow down for the next 2 years. By the way, I'm optimistic for the decade, but not for the next 2 years. The first stock is CrowdStrike Holdings. It's trading at nearly $200, and it has a target price of $244. Lots of room, $245. Has an earnings call in about 2 or 3 days. Outperform. That's fantastic. Hedge fund. I like to see some hedge fund activity. This is not reporting. Very positive technicals. PE ratio, not profitable. Earnings date, March 16th, as I said. Looks like CrowdStrike has positive news. Palo Alto or CrowdStrike, that's 2 on my list. In this article, they say CrowdStrike and Palo Alto are both good cybersecurity companies. CrowdStrike has a very high revenue growth in the near past, but the author feels that Palo Alto is the better pick at the moment. So does Kathy Woods. You can find this article on the TipRanks website, written by this person. I don't think I can pronounce the name. And this article was written October 15th. Okita, lots of room, trading at 227, 226 is the target. Outperform, that looks good. Hedge fund activity now, that's great. Technicals are positive. Looks like it does some sign-in verification services. The company was founded in 2009 out of San Francisco. Earnings date is in June. PE is under the 0, so it's not profitable. That's positive. That's negative. It's in the news. I like that. Zscaler is the next one on the list. Ticker SZS, trading at 184. Target 232. Very nice. Only a 5. Hedge fund activity decreasing. Moderate buy. Provides security for cloud-based. Nice long trend up. PE is not profitable. Not profitable. Has a positive outlook for 2021. These are all new companies. The next one is Palo Alto Networks, PANW. I believe this is the one Kathy Woods of ARK Investments favors. Trading at $342, going to $444. Lots of distance there. The rating is neutral. Analyst ratings that are on the Tip Ranks network, a strong buy. Hedge fund is decreasing. That's not good. Provides network security to enterprise networks and government agencies. Nice long trend up. We got it here, man. Oh man. Do you believe it's on a dip? Not currently profitable. That's not a piece of good news. Tip Ranks has got this on a hold. Wanted to have a look at this because the other pricing of the other stocks are very high, and this is a $25 stock. Moderate buy, trading at 21 to 25. Not as much distance as the others. It does have an outperform rating. No hedge fund activity. I like to see that. These are negative. Again, some security software. Don't know much about it. Seems like it's been bouncing around. Seems like a decent company. You got an 88 here and a 73 there. Decent return, and decent return. So these two would be on our list. But I think we have to include CrowdStrike. Decent return there. That's troublesome. But I like to make money with less trades. So let's take a look at those 3 stocks. Current momentum's up. The ZIG is up. MACD switched to be up. Seems to go up. Last time Friday went down a little bit. But the trend seems to be up on this 200-day moving average. It's been a long trending up. RSI back here. This doesn't look too bad. It would have an MACD here. New RSI. It would have an MACD here and an RSI there. So that would have been a winner. So this is giving nice good singles. CrowdStrike is not on my buy list or my top 40, and I might add it. Momentum's up. This is okay data. Okada. Nice long trend up here. Nice long trend down. I like that. And maybe this is going to be a nice long trend back up. RSI here, and you could have took that. No RSI here. What we had is MACD, and we would have took that. Nice wins. So I like this as a single generation. The chart looks decent. I like these nice long trends on the zigzag, and the zigzag is not changing every few bars. I like this. 200 moving average is moving up constantly in an uptrend. Nice zig. Maybe it's going to go like that. Right now, zig is telling me it's down, but RSI says it's go up. And our rule says that we have to have the zig and the RSI going together. So we can't take that trade, but this is looking nice. This looks a nice rhythm to it. So I like these 3 stocks. Looking back here, we're going with CrowdSource, Okada, and Palo Alto. On our top 40 list, we had, in previous editions, we had Okada and Palo Alto making a small amount since the first of the year. But now we're going to add CrowdStrike. So instead of having 2, we have now 3. I have 3 top picks for cybersecurity. These are my 3 top picks. OKTA, PANW, and CRWD. What I ended up with is I found out which stocks trade well with my system, and these three do. And then I looked at the fundamentals using tip ranks and found that these three are satisfactory. And I'll be looking to play these in the next couple of weeks. By the way, I have 3 shares on a small account of Palo Alto at the moment, and it's profitable. Now, let me ask you a question. How do you find stocks to trade? Do you have any recommendations for cybersecurity that I should add to this list? Your comments and peer review is welcome. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Happy trading on Monday.